worry about going beyond reception?
No, you can only fly it up to 400 feet, and this thing's got a range of 4 miles.
Alright.
So,
It's pretty fucking up there. Gorgeous. You can see the appeal. Oh, it's got an altimeter and everything.
it's pretty awesome. There's that snow coming in.
It's a trip.
So it has like tripod mode, which is super stable and dulls the controls. And I'm in like sort of regular mode right now. It's got really good sensors, so I'm like taking it straight down, right? And then it knows that it's close to water or something, and it'll stop.
Can you like get a shot zooming across the lake? That would be pretty cool.
I'm glad you asked. So I'm gonna take it out of regular mode, flip it into sport mode.
How long's the battery life on this sucker?
About a half hour, 20 minutes really. And let's go.
Well, bye. I'm free. Holy shit, man.
Yeah. Now check this out. Take it back out of sport mode. And I'd like it to come back on its own.
How much was this thing?
Go home.
$1,000? It's homing in on you.
Mm-hmm. I might recommend taking a step back in a moment when it comes down. But I like to test out this feature because it's just incredible to me.
Yeah, I can see why.
And you can pre-program like the return to home altitude,
Landing.
this, that, and the other. And it's got, in addition to the sensors, it's got cameras, so it aligns where it takes off and tries to land at the exact same spot. Yeah, that's why I test it. It knows it's not on the ground, so it doesn't want to land on it.
Pretty pretty remarkable, dude.
Yeah. I agree.
Addy mode.
I know you're doing it, by the way. I'm fucking freezing.
Okay. All right. So the gimbal is what really makes this thing tick. Like, I shake the aircraft, the image barely moves. Tilt up and down, the image barely moves.
Oh yeah, look at the thing. Wow.
Yeah. All right, I'll do another quick flight and then we'll get going.
This has been educational.
Take off.
Kind of creeps me out.
Yeah?
It's also awesome.
Yeah? I agree on both fronts. I'm going to do another shot along the lake.
That would be beautiful.
The return to home feature really makes you feel safer about flying.
Yeah, but
And these little maps are super helpful.
oh yeah.
Tells you everything you want to know.
Super cool. You know me, I love aviation. Hello, drone.
Hello! What up? I did. Named it Rose. Hey, Rose.
Hey, Rose.
All right. Hi, Rose.
Serious elevation.
I know.
Freaking boogie.
It's so fast.
Does it actually give you a readout on speed?
I think it does here. Yeah, 38 miles an hour. 39.
Wow. That's really impressive.
There's a set of goggles coming out soon where you can get a first-person view.
Fucking A. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's my kind of virtual reality.
Mm-hmm. Actually, a little hard to. I need practice. There's no two ways about it. It's hard to descend and move quickly forward at the same time.
Yeah, that makes sense because you would have to like cut power
Right.
to draw it.
Whereas going backwards and descending, yeah, no problem.
It's remarkable that pitch and yoke changes are just entirely done by giving more power to an individual blade.
Mm-hmm. It's really fun, especially with the first-person view. Well, almost entirely because of. All right, let's take it up to max altitude, and then I'll bring it on home.
Bye.
Well, the other part is, oh, it's starting to snow.
So you're getting into the spots? That might be kind of cool.
Nope, very bad.
Alright, so man.
Go home.
Moisture is really bad for it.
That's too bad. Did you ever see that footage of the drone up like into fireworks?
Yeah.
Landing.
So it's about half the battery.
Cool.
And this software is so smart.
Yeah.
As the further away you go, the more it'll adjust the return to home distance.
Right.
So it knows you're going to need this much battery to get back.
Right.
Fighting that wind too. It's alive! Oh, nothing like that.
Addy mode.